Guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look right here. So the first palette I was using was actually by Too Faced X Erica J palette. So I took the brown reddish shade from the palette as my transitional shade. Then I took the Huda Beauty mini palette. I forgot what this thing was. I think it's, I don't know, just our obsession palette. You guys already know what the palette, I think it's Ruby Obsession, yeah. So I took the deep toned shade in the palette and used that to deepen my crease as well. And yeah, that's what I did so far. Then when I'm done with that, I cut my crease with the Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer. It's the whitest concealer in our, shade range. So I used that as my to cut my crease. Then next I took the shade it's a yellow shade pigment from Makeup Addiction, so I applied that on my inner corner, and I took the next shade also from Makeup Addiction. It's an orange pigment as well. I applied that next to the yellow shade, and when I'm done with that, I went back to the Ruby Obsession palette and used the red tone shade in the palette to, just to brighten the shades a bit. I applied that in my outer corner. So yeah, that's all I did. And next one, I'm quite happy with the way the look was, the high look was, you know, looking. I'm quite happy with that. Then I thought, well, I needed to add a bit of more color to the lids. So yeah, so I actually first applied the OPV Beauty glitter liner on my, you know, lids, just to give it a bit of color, because today I was actually going for a colored eye look, but I was not quite sure what the look was going to be like, so I was just freestyling all through. I was just, trying everything possible just to add as many colors as I can get on my lids. So yeah, I used the concealer that I used earlier again to cut my three crease. I used that to cut my liner. It's not even a word. I just use that as an eyeliner. Then I placed the pink shade from the Huda Beauty Neon Obsession palette, and yeah, I use that as my eyeliner just to add a pop of color to the look. Then when I'm satisfied with that, I went ahead and take the eyelaw lashes. I applied that on my eye off camera, so that's what the lashes look like. So next I went ahead and applied the Huda Beauty lunar shade highlighter. The next I used the Revlon Candid foundation. I applied that all over my face. Then next I applied the Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer on my face as well. I used that to highlight my face. The shade looks quite bright on camera, but it's just the perfect shade for me to highlight my face. But yeah, I actually didn't realize I was using the mirror to cover my face. But yeah, I just blend in the concealer on all areas that I actually wanted to highlight. So when I'm done with that, I set that with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake setting powder. Well, I couldn't show that, I don't know why, but before then I applied the Huda Beauty Contour cream to powder. I use that to contour my face and blend that in really well. I quite like this a lot because it really blend easily on the skin. I'm quite a fan of it because you might have thought that you've applied a lot, but when you have your beauty blender or beauty sponge to blend that in, then it blends in straight into the skin without any problem whatsoever. So when I'm done with that, then I went ahead and set my under eye area using the Easy Bake powder. And yeah, that's all I did so far. Then when I'm quite happy with that, I went ahead and take the MAC blush in the shade Apple Red. You guys already know that I use that blush a lot, so that's the brush that I use in this case. Then yeah, nothing more, nothing less. It's just same the same. Then after applying the blush on my face, I went ahead and take the Huda Beauty Boss Resting Boss face. I applied that on my face. Then I used the Too Faced highlighter to highlight my face. I forgot what it's called, but it's part of the Erika Jane collection. Then I used the Maybelline, under eye water liner to line my uh, under eye area. Is it under eye area? My waterline really. So it's called the drama liner or something. I can't remember what it's called too, but yeah, any blue eyeliner would do. So yeah, this is me just coiling my hair, nothing much, nothing less. If you're not quite sure about how I coil my hair, feel free to check out my videos. I've got loads and loads of video of how I coil my hair. I'm just using a wand right here, and I'm not going for something too serious. I just needed just a tiny bit of curl to the hair, not to be too straight. So that's exactly what I'm doing, and I'm coiling them away from my face. As you can tell, that's what I do in most of my videos. And when I'm quite done with that, then I brush the hair in and apply the Tresemme oil, styling oil on my hair, just to give it a bit of sheen to it. So that's all I did so far. Then when I'm done with that, I went ahead and take the Anastasia Berry Hill liquid lipstick in Scene, I guess. Yeah, I think it's Scene. Yeah, I applied that on my lips. I think that's quite, you know, neutral tone pink. I can't really describe it, but I just quite like the way it looks on, with the high makeup look, which I really like a lot. So this is the finished look, guys. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think down below. And yeah, thank you guys for all your support. Thank you so much for watching all my videos. I really appreciate you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.